now. Hello, I'm live. Did you
What?
join the stream together?
No, why would I do that?
I have to set up like 18 things, and you can't even press the join stream together button.
Nope.
SMFH.
Nope.
Twin.
Oh wait, did I switch my oh there we go. I'm live now too, twin.
I hope so. Twinity.
6-7. My bad gang.
Yeah, no, the chat app is like fucked up. Like it's like overlaid weird. Like you can see that stream elements is like
Your stream title on Twitch is still what if instead of Dante's 9 it was Dante's 6-7, by the way.
kind of fire.
And it's been that for like a month.
Okay, you know what? I'll change it. Let's see.
No, it's fine. It's fine.
No, I'll change it. It's fine. Don't even worry about it, man. What is it?
Hard game, but I guess it's kind of good.
Oh, thank you. I did want to watch Shroud immediately. The second I opened up Twitch, actually.
Shroud.
I'm glad you loaded the entirety of Shroud stream for me, just to immediately hit mute.
6-7, yes,
Stream
6-7.
manager. All right, what's the title I'm hitting it
No,
with?
it's never on time.
What's the title?
I don't know.
No, my title on Twitch is working on Silly Kitty Roguelike. Come ask questions.
Well, it still says.
Oh, like the going live notification, you mean?
Yeah, I think that's.
Oh.
I didn't know that was different actually.
Yeah, it's the one displayed on chat versus like the ping that you get on like your phone or whatever.
Warning: the stream's current bitrate lower than the recommended.
Edit
Wait,
stream
what?
info. Go live notification. Pause
we're
at you. Watch game. Dev.
Where do I see the current? Where do I see the bitrate on the YouTube stream?
Yeah.
There's a stream health thing, but it
Yes.
just says whether it's good, poor, or excellent.
What are you talking about,
Very
dude?
nice.
I don't. It says other things, I think.
No, it doesn't. It literally does.
Maybe it's
not.
only a thing for YouTube partners.
Can you please turn your voice down? I'm in a funeral. Here, let me see.
That's kind of fire. Who said that?
This is Moaz.
Oh, it's Moaz.
Is this better?
Hello. My
Can you
name
hear
is
me okay?
Moaz. I'm gay. Moaz. Hi, Moaz. My family. I'm gay. All right. Let me know how that one goes. Stream health. Stream health is excellent. Okay, that's good.
Sorry, Moaz.
Yeah.
Have fun.
Yeah, that does.
Or actually,
shopping.
that-
Why the fuck is
that's
there a
not
shopping
what you say to
tab?
someone at a funeral. I'm sorry.
Have fun is crazy. Okay. Wants Moaz to be executed? Yes,
Yeah,
sir. Okay.
I'm not PR trained.
Mhm. You're not any kind of trained. It was
Yeah,
not potty trained.
I'm not clicker trained.
Oh, it was very close. I can tell people about the CS incident because it was very, very close.
That's not clicker training.
It was. Oh, my music is real loud.
It's just like.
It was Jimmy telling you to sit for you to get a gun, and then it got to the point where you wouldn't even walk up and ask for the gun. You would walk up and crouch.
It's a free gun. Like
You would
come
just
on,
walk
I'm
up
only
and
Counter-Strike
immediately
before-
sit.
Do you know how expensive the AK is?
Brother, it happened on CT also.
It's worth it.
It wasn't just AKs. Mhm.
Okay. Anyways, when to
Anyway.
start to the stream.
Yeah,
I was gonna say something, but now I got distracted and
I
forgot.
hope not.
Or there's something. Oh yes, bitrate. Is there a way
No.
to see that? It's still saying
No.
that it's not great.
It should say it in the bottom right of your OBS.
The OBS. Oh okay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's like 2,000.
What the fuck?
Oh, is it because I changed it when I was recording and it like?
I hope not. It shouldn't be lower when you were recording. It should have been higher, if
Output,
anything.
Stream output. Stream.
Let's see.
Oh yeah, the bitrate is set to.
You may be able to change that while you're streaming. I don't know.
Is this? Oh, I think it's because it's using the. It switched it from the like advanced mode. Yeah, it switched from. We switched it from like the default to advanced, so the bitrate's like really low.
I see.
Okay, what should I set the bitrate? It's a good bitrate number. I don't know.
5,000 to 6,000 is usually what I'd recommend
Like
for
6 to
streaming.
7,000. Okay.
No, you're not gonna be able to.
We'll try 6,000. If that kills me, then
Yeah.
Oh well, this is using X264. I guess that's fine.
X264
Cool,
is
that's
only
fine.
for video, like recording thing usually. Oh no, X264 is the encoder.
That's
Yeah,
just like CPU.
yeah,
right?
CPU. GPU is the.
Yeah.
You have an AMD actually. It's not NVENC. It's the other
There
one.
we go. Yeah, it's
Um,
like H something.
Ah, shit. I need to fix this. Okay, so how about this? I'm going to push up. I'm either going to push this UI stuff up or I'm just going to hold on to it. I might.
Just.
It's not.
I mean, I don't need it, so you can probably just hold on to it if you want.
I'm just like, I want to clean the working tree. I might. What can I do with it? Because I don't want to. I've got it like almost completely done. There's just like one part that isn't, which is annoying.
Let me look. Docs. No, stats. That's what I want.
Yeah,
Let's
I'm
see.
gonna. How about I do a.
So let's make sure everything's fine. Yeah, looks like we're running good. Where is bitrate?
Sound like a person who would
6,000.
prefer almond milk instead of soy milk on Isaac. I don't know how to tell it to you, Twinithy. I don't know what either of those two items do in Isaac.
I hate almond milk. It's like such a pain to steam because it's like it has no fat. So it's like it's so thin. It just like it's constantly screaming.
Soy milk is a passive item. Reduces the reduces tier delay. Multiplies fire rate, divides tier delay, damage multiplier, tier size, half size tiers. What the fuck? Dude, there's so many. There's DLC this, DLC that. They're like. They're so weird. I don't know what. Do all of these apply if you have both of these? Or like, what's the play? And then almond milk. What's the difference? So this one is like, faster tiers, much less damage, but you shoot them more, I guess. And then almond milk is extra fire rate, less damage,
Sorry.
minus tier
My bad.
size.
See if I run the game. What's our
Almond milk
bitrate
just sounds
looking
cooler,
like?
right? Right?
Yeah,
Like it just
maybe.
it's like you've got extra effects. Each tier gains the effect of either of any of these. That sounds fun. Soy milk is like, this is soy, you know.
Okay, yeah, we seem to be running fine at 6,000
6,000, 7,000.
bitrate. Whatever it's called.
Yeah.
Yep,
Okay.
Stream status excellent. That's fire.
Is there something programming wise that needed to be done?
Anyways, guys, look, train station.
Whoa.
Isn't this cool?
Oh yeah, we need to share our screens. Lol.
Oh yeah, duh. Stupid.
Also, you may need to mute my music. Good luck.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's already muted. Don't worry.
Soy milk is like a machine gun. Almond milk is pure chaos. Every tier can go in really every direction. Yeah, that sounds more fun. Doesn't sound better. It sounds more fun though.
Why is there a bite taken out of one of my hearts?
What the fuck did
Hello?
you? Huh? What did you do?
Hello? I don't know.
Why is there a bite taken out of one of your hearts?
Why is there a bite taken?
What?
What?
What did you do to the health bar?
I don't know.
I don't think I did anything with it.
Is
So,
I know I
yeah.
changed the window size a little bit because there's something weird with the rendering. I wonder. Oh, it does have to.
What the
Very
fuck?
cool.
Wait, level.
Because one thing I noticed is if you have the window set to a specific size, there's these weird
no.
gaps in the. Let me see. Does the zoom show it?
No, the zoom doesn't affect the UI.
You can. Yeah, it doesn't. Or no, it's not the UI. It's not in the UI. It's in the level.
Oh.
Display. Camera zoom. You could probably try zooming into my stream to see it. But if you look on the pillar, it's not perfectly straight. There's like weird little divots. That's not part of the texture.
I don't understand. So what are you doing to make the hearts fuck up? Because they're not funky for me.
I don't know. I'm scaling it sideways like this.
Yeah, you're just scaling it sideways.
Yeah, it seems to only do it like sometimes.
I'm not getting it at
But it definitely
all.
does it.
Let me take this to like another monitor and I'll fucking drag this across monitors. No. What the hell did you do?
Is it like only at this height? Let's see if I make it
What's
shorter.
your...
It
That-
appears to only be at that.
Okay, can you put it back to the window size that you had? Let me put this in, I'll put this on my stream so people can see what the fuck you're seeing. Oh, actually,
Yeah.
sorry, I'm on Linux. I have to tell it what window to use. Because,
Mm-hmm.
it's evil. Is this you? This is you. Alright, there we go.
But they took a bite on my hearts.
Yeah, so can you close the game right now? Open your
Mhm,
user
close.
data folder, so project open user folder.
Mhm.
Go into settings something.json in there. I can't read the files and I don't remember what it's called.
There's settings.ini.
That one, I guess.
Hello, foul mill.
What's
Foul
the,
mill.
can you just like
that's
copy the
about
window
right.
size and toss it to me?
Copy the windows. Last window size.
Yep.
You get the recti too.
Yeah.
There you go.
Alright, thanks,
Or
Goat.
recti, whatever that is. Anyways. How are you doing, foul mill? We're trying to figure out who took a bite out of the
87. Yeah.
The bites out
Yeah,
of
who
the
took a bite out of
hearts
87?
The bite of 6-7.
Ooh.
It might be fired.
That might,
They're calling it the best stroke of 2026.
that might be the worst thing ever. I hate this thing.
I cannot wait for 26-7. It's gonna be peak.
246. This is the
2067.
position, right? Yeah, XY with height. So I only need the size. Get window dot size is equal to that.
Hello, Seskiros. How are you doing, twin?
Ooh. Okay.
How do I mute Tempera's stream? Oh.
Yeah, I'm not getting a chunk bitten out of my.
Is it like
Dante 9.
maybe it's my video settings? What are my video settings?
I don't know. It could be a Windows
Quality is
thing.
high.
It could be like
It
a
could be
graphics
a
card.
Windows thing.
It could be a graphics card dying. I'm curious actually. Where are you on my thing? This thing. Can you
Let me
swap?
see what happens if I start the game. If that makes a difference at all.
Start the game.
Okay, it's still in here. I was just wondering if like
Yeah. Oh, I see.
the room I'm in made a difference for some reason.
You're
saying?
Can you close the game real quick and then swap the renderer to compatibility and then restart?
How do I do that? Oh,
Top
do I
right.
wait just this
Yeah.
here? Wait to save and restart.
Yeah, it'll take like 2 seconds.
Okay.
Don't worry. It will look like shit when you rerun the game. I'm just curious if it's like
Yeah.
I'm trying to narrow things down because I can't replicate it, but apparently you can. Did you
Yeah.
close and reopen the game?
Yep.
That's the spot that you usually put the game, right? That's like a new bug.
No, I actually just changed it because of the weird thing on the pillars.
Hmm.
I don't know why it's doing that.
I see. I wonder, health bar. Now's a good time as any to find bugs, I guess. Oh, this doesn't have a heart in it. I remember, yeah. They're called like heart container. Yeah.
Heart container, is that a Enter the Gungeon reference?
I hope not, but maybe.
Literally everything in this game is an Enter the Gungeon reference, by the way.
It's potentially true.
Just so you know.
Wait. In what world?
Oh. Very nice. Oh!
Yeah. Yeah, I told you it's gonna
We're
look
in
like
heaven.
shit. Yeah. I told you it would look like shit. Okay, so it does still have the issue. Can you
This
actually,
looks kinda cool.
can you take a screenshot and send that to me on Discord? Of the
Of
health bar?
the
Just the
screen?
health bar.
Of the health.
bar is fine,
Just
yeah.
the health bar.
Yeah.
There you go. Do you want to see the thing that I was doing on the pillars too?
Sure, if you want. I'm not as interested in that, because it sounds like they're related.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like
it changes based on the size, but it does this. The weird thing is that I don't see it anywhere else. It's just on the pillars.
Yeah. So I think
Or no, it's
I
on
can
some of
see
the other
what's
tiles too.
happening
It's just
here.
like not as noticeable.
Which is, yeah, the spot of the fucking sprite that's getting cut off is the top right half of the quad. 'Cause it's not like a pixel cut. It's like through the
Yeah.
texture.
That's so strange.
So it just means that this, for some reason, is getting fucked up on this side up here. I don't know what that could be.
Is it something to do with like? Does it have some kind of like automatic culling or something that like?
Shouldn't. Can you verify that there are no changes to any of the heart or health related files?
Yeah, let me look.
Not that you can also change your renderer back to regular if you want.
Okay.
You can just search for heart or health in the box up there. Okay.
Yeah, no, I don't see anything. Project. Oh, it's just the rendering. Yeah, no, I don't think so.
Weird.
Change the camera's vertical offset. That would make a difference, though.
I hope not, but maybe. Try changing the camera's vertical offset and find out what happens. It'd be really funny if that somehow fixed it. And it would be a little funny until it's not funny anymore, and then I get really angry. Okay, thanks, fuck. Yeah, no, I really don't have any fucking clue what could be causing that. Okay, we'll put that on the hold, and then we'll try to figure that out later.
On the hold.
On hold. Yeah. Sorry, I didn't really have like a whole lot of, not goals, but I didn't have like, goals, yeah. I didn't have like a list of things I wanted to do today, so let me take a look at some of the things that we wanted to do. There's the shop, what are the functionality things that we need? We wanted to do
one of the big ones that I wanted is status effects.
Status effects. Okay, I can do status effects today. I guess, did we write down the status effects that we wanted anywhere?
Yes, I think I did somewhere.
Ah, yes. Okay, I found it, I think.
Oh, you found it? Okay.
Yeah, there's
probably in my notes from December 16th to January 6th. That is just the forever notes.
These notes have been closed for 2 months, by the way, for sure. Wait, what is this? Some people play cards before cards launch and forge. Miss the legendary item. It was rad. 2 characters. Scratch. It's using Scratch. Forge. Inventory and map mixed with Forge does weird things.
Oh yeah, if you press them at the same inventory.
I don't know what that means, but I don't. Maybe this was the thing where they skipped the sticker thing, and it was.
No.
No.
That I still don't know what caused that. It's like pressing like the map and I don't remember. They were doing it on controller. They were just pressing a bunch of buttons to see if they could break it.
And then they did.
Yeah, by like pressing. I think they were pressing like the map and the inventory at the same time a bunch. There's also some weird stuff on controller where I think if you press like both the buttons, like the start and back or whatever you want to call them, it like does weird stuff on the computer. Like it works like an alt tab or something strangely, or it like opens up some sort of UI.
Yeah, it opens up the Steam overlay, I think. Mayhaps.
Yes, here we go. If you press the modes at the same time, it can do this, where it pops up the map. Like, it's not. I don't think that's the end of it. It doesn't really break anything, but.
What is the? Oh, I see.
just, like...
How you can move. Wait, no, wait, what? What is the problem?
I don't know what the problem is actually.
You had the map open and you could move or something?
Well, I mean, you can do that normally, I think. I think it was that the map, like, opened and the inventory opened. So when you, I'm not sure what the exact combo was, but, there we go. So, like, it opened them both at the same time, and then when you close the inventory, the map is open.
Oh.
But it doesn't, like, actually render the map.
Oh, I see, yeah.
So let me see, on one controller...
I see what's happening. Okay, I can recreate it.
Okay, that's weird. It doesn't do it on here. Maybe it...
What on there?
On the... Oh, there we go. It does this. It opens up like the Xbox bar.
Oh yeah, that's a Windows problem, not a thing that I care about.
Yeah, but I'm just wondering like if there's a way to get rid of that, because that's annoying.
Windows.
Cool.
Is there a way to tell Windows to stop being Windows through Godot? No.
Yeah, okay. And then if I press the middle button.
So the middle button opens up the Steam overlay if you're on Steam.
Okay, that's what that does. Okay, because I think it also sometimes opens up. Yeah, it also opens up the Xbox overlay, which. So that's just an issue of them both. Because it was doing something weird when we were playtesting and they were trying to push random buttons. But I think it was just because it was trying to open them both at the same time and then it was doing weird things.
Yeah. That's
wait. Okay, so it does actually. If you hold down the back button and then press the start button, it does an alt tab.
Oh, that's a Windows thing. I don't care.
Okay, that's also a Windows thing.
Yeah.
That's
yeah, no, it's all Windows. Like weird things like that are all Windows. It's not like we're like taking controller input and sending it to the computer as like a keyboard input.
I just want to make sure that like if there's a way to get rid of that, we do.
Windows.
Okay. So that's the thing that like all other games have to deal with too. I just want to make sure that we don't have like weird things.
Yeah, like I would say like I mean try some of those things in like Enter the Gungeon or like Rivals or like anything that has a controller support and like see if they're disabling it because I don't think you can.
Yeah, I'll double check.
If you can, it'd be cool. I don't know how to.
I'll open Enter the Gungeon. I'm so sad that I have to do this.
Yeah, okay, buddy. You have an idea. You like the idea of a passive that makes all weapon cards have one charge, but the damage and attack size scales by the amount of charges lost.
Wait, that's a really cool idea.
SMG becomes...
So it just becomes like a giant cannon if you... It's really cool.
Just each card just... SMG build goes crazy style.
Let's see, so if we do... I've never actually played this on controller.
Yeah, it's not...
If you press both of these at the same time, yeah, it does the same thing.
Yep. Yeah, no, it's a Windows thing.
Then if I press this, the middle button, it's gonna open both overlays at the same time. That's very cool. Very cool Windows.
Very much, yeah, it's just Windows being Windows.
Yeah.
Nothing we can do about that.
Okay. That's good to know. I just when we were playtesting, I was just like, oh dear, there's a lot of things popping up.
Yeah.
And that's probably not good, and there might be a way to disable that, but...
Okay.
Nope.
So...
Very nice. I love Windows. I love Windows so much.
Xbox menu opening. Should be able to pick card before they all show up. I think that's fixed. I don't know though. I'll find out. I was just reading these. So with possible status effects, fire, deal damage over time to enemies. So you just affect a thing with fire, and then they just take like tick damage over time.
Yeah.
Okay. And then for the player, it's if it fills up completely, then it resets. Or it does damage and then resets. Do we want it to be like Dungeon Fire, where it's...
No.
Okay, how do we want it to work then? Is it like...
It's just damage over time. If you're in it, you are on fire. If you're out of it, you're not on fire.
Okay, so there are no attacks that would hit you and then put you on fire. It's like they would hit you and they would put fire on the ground.
Yeah, I think that's the best way.
Okay.
Because with Gungeon, it works because there's the dodge roll, which like makes sense. You roll to put out fire. With this, like we could do something like maybe you have to jump around, but it's like it's so unintuitive comparatively that I like don't want to confuse people.
Is there a notable difference between poison and fire?
Twinithy's Holy Unk is here. Hello, Twin. I'm gonna have to stop saying Twin now. It's over. The Unks have claimed it.
So poison deals damage over
Mhm.
time to enemies, fills up on
Yep.
player damage on full and reset. What if instead of damage, it like sapped your mana or your soul? That way that there's a difference between fire and poison.
I mean, maybe we could have an effect that does that.
Yeah. I don't know if there's
The main thing for the fire and poison is it's okay if they pretty much do the same thing. It's because the player can deal them to enemies. And that's kind of the more important thing, is how
I guess that's
the
fair.
player having multiple things to deal to enemies.
I guess that's a fair point, yeah.
Yeah.
Ice slow and then maybe freeze. Same thing. How do we want that to work on the player? Or do we want that to be
I
a thing
don't
that
know
could be
if the
applied?
player would even be affected by ice. I mean, I don't think they do that in Gungeon. Obviously, we don't have to copy Gungeon.
We could do ice physics.
But we're going to copy some Gungeon. Ice physics? Oh, that sounds like it makes your movement slippery.
Yeah.
That sounds really annoying, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, that's the point.
Maybe it like...
No, it's fine. We probably
Maybe
don't
it
need
like
ice
puts
physics.
you in an ice cube and like you just slide around, but you can't take damage.
Eugenics type shit. I don't know. That doesn't really sound like a. It might. That sounds more like an annoyance than like a punishment. Like, because
Maybe-
usually a status effect is like you did something wrong, and this is a way to, punish you. If it's
a
just like,
status effect, not an evil effect. but,
yeah,
like,
well, I mean, if you're just like putting someone in a cube, that's just kind of annoying.
that's fair, yeah.
Like same thing with like stun, sleep, and immobilizes. I feel like these probably shouldn't be applied to the players, or like
yes,
maybe-
definitely not. That should 100% not apply to a player. That would be really annoying.
Yeah, copy the cheese gun status from dungeon. Or from dungeon,
Yes.
otherwise. Cheese gun?
I've never gotten cheese gun, but it is very funny.
What is it?
You haven't heard of the in cheese status
The
effect?
elementaler? This one?
I
That
think this
in
is specific
cheese
cheese
enemies,
gun.
encasing them in cheese and freezing them, enemies that die spawn a large cheese pool, which encheeses any enemies that step in it. What in the
How
fucking
have you not
world
heard
is
about this?
I never
Guy
heard
who
this.
played Gungeon for the
Cheese.
first time yesterday.
What the fuck?
It's peak.
That's crazy.
It's like
oh, it's
S
this
tier
from the
game
fucking
design.
rat chest. I haven't gone to the rat den.
That's crazy.
You haven't either.
Yeah, I know. I'm just saying that's crazy. I didn't say that I have.
Buff and enhance, yeah, sure. So how do we want
Yeah.
status effects to apply to the player? Like it's before we did like a thing that's just like here's all of your effects and then this would build up over time. But I'm assuming we want visuals, we want some like maybe in-world effects, we want like
I am a big fan of the Gungeon bar. So
Mhm.
maybe something similar. Maybe more like Souls-like, where it's like a long bar that fills up.
maybe.
So it's a little more clear. I feel like the Gungeon one's a little hard to read sometimes.
Yeah, I can write it in a way that it's like not.
Yeah, you could just have like an amount that ticks up from like 0 to 1.
Yeah, and then we can change the design of it later if we choose.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
do we
that
want it
sounds
to be
right.
on the player?
I think that would make the most sense.
Okay. So let me write down some.
I did also think it could be interesting to have like stacks of effects for enemies. Because I
Okay,
know like Risk of Brain does something like that, where it's like you can stack multiple of an effect on an enemy.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So like it'll apply stacks.
I think that things like that are cool. Especially if we think about things like Deadlock, how you have like Mirage. Whenever he hits you, he puts like a stack of something, and if he hits you enough, it gets like a second
Yeah.
stack, and then after a while,
Yeah,
it's
'cause then we could
dealing
also have,
damage based
like-
on that. We could have something
Yeah, you
that's
can
like
get also
your
cards that are like for number of stacks in whatever effect do this.
yeah, or like when you apply a stack, apply two instead of just one.
Yeah.
Which would be cool, because then we could also have certain status effects that are like for every stack of poison you have, increase your speed by 5%. Sticky status players and enemies can't jump. Oh god,
That's evil, no.
that's evil as fuck.
Yeah. I feel like a bleed effect could also be good. I'm thinking of how to make these different, at least for the enemies.
Yeah.
I think one thing that could work is like maybe the rate at which it ticks.
I think that
So,
if
like,
we wanted to make
fire
it different
tick
for
really slowly or
enemies,
something.
I
Mhm.
think that poison being different from fire could be like poison slows the enemy. It
Yeah.
takes longer to tick up, or whatever the fuck we want to do for that.
Yeah.
Fire could also be like can spread, like enemies could spread it.
Yeah, like if an enemy touches another enemy that's on fire, it would spread.
Yeah.
That could be annoying to make, maybe.
Annoying to make, no. Annoying to balance, yes. Because then if we have like a swarm of enemies, you light them on fire, and then it lights all of them on fire, which is maybe fine, but
Yeah, I don't know if I want that actually. Yeah, no, I don't want that.
so like things like that are kind of what
Yeah,
should be kept in
interesting.
mind. But we could also have it like how in Mugenics, if there's like the grass. If an enemy's on fire and they walk by the grass gets set on fire, which spawns another source of fire. Could have static props like that in the level that just get set on fire as people as
Maybe.
things move over them.
I feel like some of this is a little bit scope creepy.
It can
but
be, yeah. I'm just
Yeah.
just tossing out some ideas. Of,
One thing I just thought of that would be fun, that would be a little bit of a pain, but fun, is to have like a bleed status effect, and then make it that like when you kill enemies, they like drop blood on the ground, like a kind of like a gib effect, but it's like a kind of decal on the ground. But then we could also have things that could affect the blood. It's like a card that like makes any spot that has blood like explode. So if you like applied a bunch of bleed to a bunch of enemies, they'd like bleed all over the ground, and then you'd like set it all on fire or something.
It's not a bad one.
Yeah, that could be a bit of a pain, but it's a good idea to have.
It's not that much of a pain, to be honest.
Yeah.
I don't think.
And I think that's one way to make like bleed different, is it like drops the thing on the ground that can be affected, or like
Yeah.
kind of like a.
There's also there's a couple of other ones that are like rather than taking like a ticking up over time and then doing a burst of damage, it could be like or sorry, for enemies it would be ticks over time. There could be an effect that is like the bleed from like Dark Souls or Elden Ring, I guess, is the only one I played. I don't know if it's the others, but like where you build it up over time, and once you hit a threshold, it kind of explodes for like a chunk of damage.
Oh, that's actually a good idea. Yeah.
I'm actually gonna toss that one in here. What is that called in Elden Ring? Is it just called bleed or?
It's bleed. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's always fun.
Build up on enemies.
And then obviously we have to have an effect that like builds up really slowly, and if it fills up entirely, just insta kills you.
Just insta kills you. That's fucking evil.
Yeah. But it's got to be like super dramatic, like the I forget what effect it is. It's like something blight in Elden Ring. Or like
Scarlet Rot?
Entirely. No, not that one. But if it fills up entirely, a giant like stake comes up out of the ground and just like stabs you and you die.
Oh, cool. Isaac, the status effect deals damage if the character moves. The faster they move, the faster they take damage from bleed. Enemies that don't move don't take damage. Ooh.
Death Blight, that's what it's called. Yes, thank you, Twin.
A blight that causes death. I can't think of the name of it. Yeah, no, good one, JW.
Wait, Jerry finally used an emoji that isn't the cat in the box.
He uses that sometimes.
Nah, we might.
That's also a thing in Dota, Jerry, is the fucking Bloodseeker's ult, is he hits you with his ult, and then if you stand still, you take like no damage, but if you move away, you take damage based on how far you run. Oh, another status effect. Actually, I don't know. I was thinking like, so two just came to my mind, which is fear, a status effect that makes something run away, mainly for enemies, or a status effect that stops, like silence, which stops you from using cards. That also sounds a little annoying.
I don't really like the silence idea. It could be good for enemies, like it stops them from attacking. But that could be a bit overpowered.
Yeah.
I'm trying to think of what status effects Risk of Rain has. Do they have a Risk of Rain wiki that isn't
Whisk
like
of Wayne. He said Whisk of Wayne.
Please have a good wiki.
So,
Yes. Wiki.
how do I want to implement this is the question.
Status effects. There we go. What
Status
do we
effect
got?
6/7 die from cringe. It's not cringe.
That's pretty fire.
It's called martyrdom. You're
Did I
sacrificing
do Risk
yourself.
of Rain? Yeah, you did. I'm hopping on Risk of Rain right now. Blazing. Leave a fire trail that hurts enemies and apply a 50% total damage burn on hit. Oh, that's cool. Didn't know it did that. Cloak. Collective. Oh yeah, some of these are from like the DLC. They're like really special ones.
Yeah.
Cool.
Let's see. Let me write like a. What the fuck would this be called?
I forgot.
wanna
Yeah,
say,
there's
like,
some of the
spec or like requirements or something.
there's like some status effects in or I guess the elite enemy effects count as status effects. Or wait. Oh wait, oh these are affixed buffs. These are only the elite ones. Okay, that's what I'm looking. Okay. So these are actually some cool stuff that we could steal too. Like the one that like heals enemies but then drops like a healing. I guess that wouldn't work very well because of how our healing works.
Wavy cap effect.
Wavy
but it's
cap effect,
catnip?
but it's catnip.
What is wavy cap
What?
effect?
What is wavy
Sounds
cap,
cool.
cap effect?
Wavy cap Isaac is what I'm hearing. Gives Isaac plus 0.75 fire rate, which goes past the normal cap, minus speed, and distorts the screen and background music. Oh.
I see. So buffs: armor boost, gain armor, attack speed on crit.
Oh.
Wait,
Oh.
a lot of.
We actually have a much easier time doing screen-wide effects now, by the way.
Oh, do we?
Because the world is rendered in a sub-viewport, I can do effects across the entire sub-viewport that don't affect the UI, but just affect the world.
Oh wait, that's sick.
That was just something that I remembered that I hadn't brought up yet, but was something that I've had in my mind. Like, if we wanted to have the spray bottle like shoot out like a distortion wave or something, we can do that now, and it would be really easy. Well, really easy, you know.
That would be kind of sick.
Especially because if I wanted to apply it, the way that I could do it is or what is it? It's called world layer. I could just put something like between the canvas and the sub viewport. Like I would have to probably change a little bit, but having like a layer for post-process effects would not be the worst thing in the world. Let's see. You can spam it multiple times. The screen looks like an abomination. Holy. We do have a catnip card that's not being used, so maybe. Although I'd like to go back to the idea that we had for the catnip card, which is it makes everything slow except for the player.
That would be cool, yeah.
Especially doing the thing where you can like fire bullets, and then whenever the effect ends, they all fire off at the same time. So I'm really trying to think about this.
This is a cool effect. 3 seconds after the first stack is applied, deal 400% damage per stack and remove all stacks. So if you like burst the stacks.
Sorry, can you say that again? I was.
Damage. Sorry, 3 seconds after the first stack is applied, deal 400% damage per stack and remove all stacks.
Oh,
So
okay.
it's like however many stacks you can get in 3 seconds
Yeah.
determines how much damage burst you get, and then they all disappear.
I hate the.
That probably would be a little.
I explained it in my own mind in a different way, and that's okay.
Yeah.
Because I said, oh, so it's first strike, but from League of Legends.
We might have to like kill you.
Because then that's cool, because it goes on cooldown, and then when it comes off cooldown, you're like, okay, now I need to like burst something, and you like focus your time on that. Let me think. So I'm thinking about the code effect of this because I want. Are the status effects, are they going to be able to, like, what are all the ways that this can be applied? Like,
So many status effects in this game. What the hell?
like, obviously we have things like hit from attack. We also have like environmental sources.
Yeah, probably.
Like the fire on the ground. Maybe like just like, oh, probably abilities as well, I would imagine. Like we could have cards that whenever you use them, they apply an effect to you as well.
Okay, yeah, you're right.
Like,
yeah. And
yeah.
also they'd apply to enemies too, like.
Yeah, it could be.
Like maybe there's a card that's like apply this effect to all enemies.
Yeah. Because status effects also don't need to be a bad thing. They can be a good thing.
Yeah.
You
know, in Isaac, if you enter a room with half a heart, you piss yourself in front of the door. I think we should add that to Dante's 9.
What the fuck? No.
Do status effects.
No. We're not adding that. We're not adding. Wait, hold on.
What do you mean? Wait, hold on.
P. We have to now.
Can be the secret status effects.
Okay, I'm thinking of. So
we already had to make a no peeing roll in my Discord. I don't want to make it worse.
So my
Yo,
initial.
Is that guy Loki?
Whoa, hello, that
Hello,
guy Loki. How's it
Very
going,
good.
Twinithy? So my gut is telling me that the best way to apply this is, unfortunately, like, not unfortunately, but my immediate gut reaction is to reach for like our component system and just like attach a component.
Yeah, that's fine.
I'm just like, I'm thinking, I'm like, is there
yeah.
a problem with that? Is there like a, do I not want to do that? Do I want to, are there issues that could come of that? I really don't know.
Don't really see, I mean, here, just try it, and if it doesn't work, then you can find another way to do it.
Yeah, I
guess
guess
it doesn't
that's
make
fair.
sense overthinking other ways to do it if this one works perfectly. I know, I'm
That's
using
like-
my brain, isn't that
that's
crazy?
Kind of true, but also like, I don't know. I want to make
But
sure that
also,
we
like,
end up, we don't want to end up with a system that's shit to work with, so.
yeah, but sorry, my bad. You know what I'm saying?
No, yeah, no.
Yeah.
I guess
What am I working on?
I don't know. Art for status effects. I don't know.
For status effects.
Oh, I was also thinking about your particle issue that you were having yesterday.
Particle issue.
Where
yesterday?
if the particles were
the
local, they would look weird, but if they were global, moving the camera makes them do weird shit.
Yeah.
I think your best bet may be to try to bake them into the anime, like not the animation, but the like particle properties. Just
what in particle properties?
like try to, whenever the train's moving to the right, make the particles like move to the left.
Okay.
The same amount.
Yeah, that's fair. But also, I don't think I'm gonna have the moving trains. I
Okay.
didn't like it.
That's okay. But yeah, because I was thinking about it a little bit, and I'm like, I don't know how the fuck. The only way that I could think to do it is like render them on a sub viewport, and I'm like, we're not doing that. Like that's not.
Yeah.
Just because like the particles, like GPU particles, are kind of driven by themselves, and they got some shit going on.
Yeah, I get what you're saying.
Miss?
Get what you're saying.
No. Cutscenes definitely not. Components. Sure. Effects. Status effect. What are the common properties of a status effect? Not very much, but is there anything common between all of the status effects, actually? Like, would there be...
I mean, there'd probably be like a effect triggered sort of thing, and then like a build up. And maybe like a tick.
Maybe not a build up, because I think there are some, like...
I think it'll work differently. I think enemies and players will work completely differently. I wouldn't try to make them both the same. Maybe. Because with the player, it like ticks up, and if it reaches a threshold, it like triggers. For the enemies, I think it would last for your period of time and then trigger periodically.
For some of them, yeah. But then there's also the blood stacking effect, which would be build up over time and then trigger. Because I'm also thinking about like yeah, they'll obviously work differently between enemies and players, but if we wanted to do something that's like for everything that's on fire, you know, do this thing. If we want to count the player as being on fire as well, I mean, I don't know if we want to do that. What the fuck are all of these dots doing on my... What are these? Oh, screencasting. That's funny. Sorry, there's a bunch of dots in my taskbar.
That's very cool. I'm sure you can figure it out, Twinity.
That might be true. Maybe not, though. Let's find out.
Yeah, maybe. You are the programmer, after all. You should know these things.
Yeah, somewhat.
Oh, that's a lot of trains.
Oh, I saw a flash of white, and I was like, holy shit, he just put boy kissers all over the screen.
No. Oh, that looks worse.
Let me, I want to put you on screen for a second, because I'm going to think about this, which means I'm going to be doing basically...
Okay, I have very nice things on the screen. There you go. It's better now. Oh, wait, no, we want to see. There we go. Okay, we're better. Oh, wait, I see. I think I see. Yeah. So let's actually duplicate you. Kill you. And then... Wait. What are you? Let's see. Okay. And we kill you. There we go. Struggling to click on the eyedropper tool. Oh no, see, it's not gonna work. Hello. There we go. We're back.
Dude, I'm like losing my mind over this, actually. Because these are like hella different. Right? It honestly makes me wonder how other games do it. What are some other games? Did you say there was one in Risk of Rain for like fire or something?
A Risk of Rain status effects are a little bit insane. There's like a billion of them.
What are some
And they
other...
all do like a bunch of different things.
Like,
I mean, what is not figuring out?
fire. Because fire is like very different for the player and enemy.
Yeah, but
they're
that's
both
what I'm
fire.
saying. Is they're different. They're completely separate.
But they're both fire.
Yes.
So if we have something in the player that says like you are immune to fire, and fire damage to enemies, like fire effects, are like twice as long on enemies. How do we quantify that so that both of these are affected in a way that doesn't require us to list every class that is considered fire? Do you see what I mean there, or does that
Kind of not 100%, but sorta a little bit.
Because I'm thinking like I could do something like I'm just gonna like type out like my thoughts. Main one is definitely fire. So for player versus enemy is very different, but it should be by same modifiers, I guess, or something like that. But I could have like a definition for an effect that is only useful for information, like a type object. I mean, I guess there could be like an enum, which isn't like the worst thing ever. Let's try this. Actually, we're back. Wait, what the fuck was I just thinking about? Oh my god, I'm stupid and dumb.
Yeah, unfortunate. I'm thinking. Just kidding, I'm not thinking. There's nothing going on up there.
We have the effect type enum, but I don't know if I want to use names for this. Maybe I do. I just do like an effect type. And have like poison and feed. Haste. Stun, that feels wrong. Question. We so for the player, when fire is like filling up, we want to have like either an icon above them that's filling up or like a meter or something like that. Are we going to have that for an enemy as well? Or is it just like, can you see visually that the fire or like something is filling up on an enemy, or you just kind of have to guess that it's happening?
I don't think so. I mean, I kind of like how Risk of Rain has like the little stacks that appear above their health bar, but I don't think that would work great for this.
I see what you mean, yeah.
Because like, where would you display it? Like, obviously above them somewhere, but I think that would get cluttered.
Fair enough.
And also, I think with Risk of Rain, it like kind of makes sense because it's like a very advanced system where it's like the stacks are kind of important, and then there's like a lot of things at once, so it's good to keep track of them. But with this, it's probably like you'll have at most like maybe 2 status effects. And I don't even know if we want to make it that you can have multiple at once. Maybe.
I think we probably will.
Probably, yeah.
Yeah, because I have an idea in my mind, and I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it out.
Okay.
We're gonna see where it goes.
Yeah, and the other important thing is just make sure it's like expandable. So if you want to add more, it's not hard to do.
Yeah, that's one of the parts that I'm like,
Yeah, it's a little scary. Like, what if we wanted to add like water and like lightning and don't worry about it too much. So if it just make it work, you know.
yeah. hmm
He's worrying about it so much right now. I can tell.
No, I'm thinking through things. I think I've got a decent idea for this. Out with the effect type enum, that shit pisses me off.
Yes, PMO.
Yes, PMO far ong. What the hell is this?
I'll
Oh,
add the 6/7 card while I wait.
effect handler.
Only
You-
7:30. Wow.
This doesn't exist anymore. Get the fuck out of here. And VFX for fire effect. You are getting hidden for now. We'll be back later. Yeah, you'll be back later. Isaac confused status reverses your control.
No, we're not doing that.
No, that's
Dante's 9 is
evil
not
as
evil.
fuck. That's Terraria confused status. I fucking hate bats. Okay, so under here we have effect type. I think that's fine.
We should add like a status effect where it's like cheese.
Cheese.
Yeah.
What the hell?
Gotta have like a funny name though.
I don't think so.
Yeah, I think so.
Ah. What if I just picked like a random texture in here? That'd be cool. I'm not gonna do that.
That would be cool. Golf when?
Death now.
I don't know. Maybe at some point. We might stream golf.
Where in the fucking world is... Wait, where is this card DB stored at? Where the hell is this file? Oh, source doc cards. Okay, what about sticker DB? Source card stickers. Okay, that makes sense, I guess. Sure. I just would have assumed something like that would have been like in a registry folder or something. Yeah, you're going in util for now. Where the f did I put this? I'm losing my mind right now.
Where are you? It's
Here.
crazy.
I put in components. Duh. I guess that makes sense. Maybe I didn't actually. Where the hell are you? Is there not anything? Oh, components / effects. Okay, I was right. I did put it in components.
Crazy. When if he forgot. Why is there an outline on my train? Why is there a box on my train?
I don't know, man. Why'd you put a box on your train?
I didn't do it.
You obviously did. Did you hit?
Me.
You know what probably happened? I'm gonna take a guess. I'm gonna guess you hit Control S, and if you just hit S, doesn't that add a stroke to the selection?
No, it doesn't.
Hmm?
I said no, it doesn't.
It just did, right?
No, it didn't.
All right.
We're just making stuff up at this point.
Yes, sir. Why did it take a chunk out of the fucking background? Oh, never mind. What?
It does that when
It
you
just does
export.
that.
If you export a selection, watch this. It just does that.
I'll just do that
when you
sometimes. Fair enough.
export. Yep. It's very normal. Quite natural.
Mhm. Do we want... I know this is like getting way too into it. So let's say that there's an effect that can be stacked. Do we want effects that can be stacked and then fall off after a certain amount of time? And for those, do we want them to fall off one by one, or do we want them to be like the time is up and it just all runs out?
Oh, like time.
Or do we want both? Or like what's the...
I think it should be time based, but it based on whichever the last one applied is.
Okay, so like a refresh
like,
rather
say,
than like
yeah.
a layered.
Yeah, so say like fire lasts for 5 seconds and you stack fire 5 times. It'll keep staying on until you hit the last one, and then when you hit the last one, it'll tick down 5 seconds. So it's not like each tick has
Yeah, it's not like
a
each one has
separate
a layer.
Yeah, which would be that would just be a pain and weird, I feel like. I feel like some way to visually show like ticks would be nice. I don't know exactly what else would do that.
Yeah, I don't know, because I was thinking like we could just have like a little icon above their head. But
Yeah, that's what I was thinking as well. Like when I had the idea to do something similar to Risk of Rain, but I
yeah.
still don't. That we just try it and see how it looks. We definitely have to be small though.
Yeah, I'm gonna put you on screen real
smaller.
quick though. I gotta go use the bathroom. And I'm
Okay.
gonna do laps around my apartment for a little bit.
Okay, bro, get those zoomies.
I gotta pace and think about things.
Mm-hmm. He's got zoomies, guys. Oh, that's a lot of trains. My eyes. Why? It's so many trains. There we go. All better. We don't want you to repeat. Okay, now we can maybe do that down. I'm just working on the train background for the train. You know, the train. What do you call it? Train station. That's what it's called. It's called a train station. Originally I was gonna make them move, but making them move was too much of a pain. And also, I think it looks nicer when they're stationary. And in addition, it just fits the vibe better. Because I want it to seem like it's not like a ruined train station, but it's not like active. If that makes any sense. See how that looks. I still need to figure out what kind of NPCs we want to have in here and what, like, I want to have them laid out. I was thinking of having some way to, like, change the platform that you're on, so you could go from, like, take a bridge, like, up here and go to, like, a platform in the back, but I'm not sure about that one. Oh, this is only showing the one layer, that's why it looks weird. Hold up. There we go. Whoa, look at that, there's like so many trains now. This place is full of trains. I think that one should be farther out. I think these look fine. It just looks like it's maybe a little full. Yeah. Also, you guys, are you actually on the track? Nope. Wait, I hit the wrong thing. There we go. There we go. Now it's actually on the track. Oh, better. Train 2. You. Be a little bit farther over. You be this way a bit. I think that's better. Might be too much in the back there. Going on. Hello, why does this look so bad? Oh wait, this is way too far over. Because it actually needs to be back somewhere. So let's actually kill you. You are fine. You need to be this way more. And you two this way. There we go. Calling Nintendo lawyers right now. Oh, is he playing Nintendo music? Is he any a band? Evil Lytic. Maybe this is good now. I just be moving the trains around. So fun. Maybe that needs to be more to the right.
Okay, I'm back.
Let's go. I think I got the train background looking nice.
Let's go.
Why did that like not change anything?
Train background.
Train background. Oh, I have a bunch of the layers hidden too, so now it'll look even nicer. There we go. Look at the beautiful choo-choo train background.
Oh shit, this
Game
game
trains them all in. Let's go.
Well.
Well. You want to see the backgrounds? I think the background's done. We just need some nicer stuff in the foreground.
Okay, sorry, what'd you say? What was the last thing you just said?
I said the background's done. We just need some nicer stuff in the foreground.
Yeah, no, that looks fucking sick. It gives like very like sunset, like almost dusk, like train station. And I fuck with
Dusk
it.
2?
No, dusk.
Oh.
Like with a K, not a T.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah. What if I like hit the stop streaming button just for like funny ha-has?
That would be kind of funny.
It'd be a little funny, a little haha, I think.
Just need to add some like walls here so you can't think I'll put a little fence here that you can't go past. And then just have an invisible barrier that goes up.
Oh my god, we're adding invisible walls to Dante's 9.
Okay, what else do you want to do?
No,
Do you
I
want
mean,
us
it's
to be able to walk
fine.
on the train tracks?
We haven't done
and,
that
like,
yet.
Look at this, it's beautiful. You
It's
can
just, like,
see the edge of the
shocking.
world. I know.
Kind of surprising we haven't done invisible
Not-
barriers.
I don't like this, like,
Up off?
here. But I don't know what to do about it, yeah. Like, it looks fine when you're up here. That's why I add these, because it looks a little nicer. Hit end stream, open stream again with title playing into the Genshin. You might be cooking with that one. I don't think it's too perfect. And then I might mess around. I kind of like the idea of having like bridges that go across to a second platform.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm trying to think of like how to visually do that doesn't look terrible. I wonder if I could do like something with the parallax as well. Like have another parallax layer that's just like a bridge. That kind of like parallaxes back. Like with some fake 3D kind of stuff.
I love fake 3D. It's my favorite kind of 3D.
Yeah, it is kind of sick.
Okay, wait. I might be stupid again. I swear I had this shit solved as I was walking around my fucking apartment.
Here, I have an idea. I am going to do something crazy. I'm gonna use gradient textures to make a parallax tunnel, and I'm like just gonna try to see if I can make something cool work.
Whoa. Oh, did you see that we're
Yeah,
getting
I
a
know.
gradient texture update next patch?
What?
Yeah. They're adding new gradient texture functionality to not Dante's 9. Fuck, to Godot. Let's see.
Is there an unlimited scaling weapon that scales per use but costs too much? What? I'm confused. The one thing that we did want that I don't remember, let me check to see if we wrote it down. And if we didn't, I'll write it down. Yeah. X cost cards.
Yeah,
have
X-Cost
that.
cards are cool. We are getting...
Whoa, wait, what was that?
Don't worry, we'll go back to it in a second. We're getting conic textures to gradient textures.
Oh.
Which
Ooh.
is this thing. It's very pretty. It means that you can define the gradient and
Nice.
it'll wrap around that way. Very cool.
Wait, that's fire.
Yeah. Yeah, no, this is the 4.7 first dev pass update thing. We have on-screen joysticks now, which is very cool.
I like that.
And then you have drawable texture.
Why
which
does he
means
look like that?
you can draw the texture like in the
What's so
viewport, in the thing. This is like sick. Yeah, that one's not super important, but it's yeah. That.
This guy hates 3D. 3D hater.
Well, no, it's like it snaps to the
It's anti
thing. Like
3D.
that's great, but you know, whatever. You know. There's a new there was a 4.7 dev 2 that was just put out. That's support for copy paste of section/category properties. Excuse me. Oh. Wait, that's actually fucking sick.
Wait, what?
You can copy, you can say, yo, copy all of the variables in this section. And then you can go to the other one and then right click and
Oh,
paste
wait,
it.
that's fire.
Monospace font code names in UI. Fire. I love Monospace. Collapse groups in animation track editor. Can we not do that currently? Wait, what? There's no way we can't do that right now, right? Oh, I guess we can't. That just feels like something that we should be able to do. And I guess it is. We're getting it, so. Apple, surprise your output. Meh. Maybe that's important to us? I'm not sure. I don't think so. And now back to my fucking plight. Oh, wait, JW.
Mm-hmm.
Do we... So an enemy, whenever an enemy's on fire, is it that they jump into the fire and then they're immediately on fire?
Yeah, I think that's how that should work, because if they like touch fire, they gain a stack of fire.
Okay.
Maybe the longer they're in the fire, they gain additional stacks.
Mm-hmm.
Potentially. Maybe we don't want to have stacks. I don't know. I don't know, actually.
No, that's okay, me neither. I'm not gonna lie. I'm putting this on hold for a second. I'm sorry. That's okay, though. I've got something cool I can do that you asked for earlier that will be useful for you, I think. So, which is the render all the cards thing.
No, that's like not super useful.
No? Okay. What's something that would be more useful?
I mean, status effects would be cool.
Okay, buddy. I don't know. I really want to think on this because I don't...
Oh, my bridge.
Oh shit, why is your bridge
Didn't
boy
quite
kissers?
work. It didn't quite work as intended.
Why is your bridge boy kissers?
I'm trying to figure that out. Give me a second. Where are you like this? What does this do? Oh.
What happened? Oh, what the fuck are you?
Don't worry about it.
I'm gonna worry about it. I'm not actually worrying about it.
Oh wait. Oh wait, this is messed up. Hold up. Is it? That's a little better, but I think it's based off the origin, which is not what I want. Yeah, it is. How do I fix that? Heat now. See if I do that. No, that puts you down there. It's not what I'm confused. Do I need to make you like a... If I make you canvas layer. No, you're still like that. Why are you like this? Let's put you at the origin. You're now at 0, 0. So this is what we wanted to. No, that's still kind of weird.
What's the position of the sprites? Are they also 0, 0?
Right. Yeah.
Okay, and they're like centered so that like the dead center of the sprite is at 0, 0.
Yeah. They are centered, yeah. So it should be, if I'm like this, they should be like 4, but they're like weird where like it's like offset. Huh. It's so weird. This is inherits from node, but it doesn't have a position.
Hmm?
The parallax 2D inherits from node 2D, but it doesn't have a position. Literally, so it doesn't let you change it in the editor.
Oh, that is
Very
interesting.
strange.
I wonder how they did that. Well, I guess it's written in C++. They probably have like a method down there that just says like, fuck you, remove this or whatever.
I'm trying to think. Would I want like a sub viewport or something? I don't know how these things work.
I don't either, actually. I haven't really used the parallax layers in Godot that much.
Let's just see. I don't even know what a sub viewport does. What if we just put a sub viewport on here?
You need to have something to render it to.
Oh, what does that mean?
Like, so it renders everything inside the sub viewport as if it's like just another world. And unless
okay.
you have a sub viewport container, it won't render anything.
Okay. And that's probably not what I want then.
Yeah. Also, your changes to the nodes, if you change it to like a canvas layer or something, they don't look like they're actually taking effect.
Oh, okay.
Because you changed it to a sub viewport and they were still rendering, but they shouldn't be.
What if we try this? What if you make it a canvas layer?
It'll stick to the screen.
Oh yeah, you're right. Because I want it to like act like it's. So I feel like maybe a sub viewport is what I want.
I think you can do a. If you go to the canvas layer real quick and set follow camera or follow viewport.
Oh, follow viewport. Oh wait, maybe that is what I wanted. No, it's still.
No, it's still off. Yeah.
Kind of weird.
It's because it's based on like the top left of the camera and not the.
That's weird.
Move the Move those guys to the center of the canvas.
The center of the canvas.
I
Oh,
think,
like
yeah.
Let's just do this. The center of the canvas.
Yeah, like the window
here?
thing that's there. Yeah, I can't see the lines on your thing, but yeah.
Yeah, like this.
And then
Reload.
maybe I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't either. I haven't worked with those, so
Yeah.
this is new to me as well.
Because I think this is what I want, is I want it to parallax. Now it's just down there.
Yeah, but it should be offset correctly. So if you were to walk to the right, it'll.
Oh, okay. Yeah, now that's more correct.
Yes. I have a few ideas. I don't think they're very good though. Like the
ideas?
canvas. If you go to the canvas, I believe there's that you can offset it, but I don't think you want. I mean, you could. You could like offset it by like minus a fuck ton, and then it should be centered around that.
I mean, wouldn't it just be the default? It's based on your current window size, though, probably, which makes it even worse.
It might be, yeah, which is not great.
Yeah. Because, like, if I make this wide, Yeah, no, that's not correct.
Yeah. Which makes me wonder. Let me take a look at circle one background. I think it's parallax.
Because I do think that the regular background does change if you change your window size, like the positions of it do change.
Oh wait, you have.
It's a bit weird.
Wait, what is? We have follow viewport turned off on the parallax layers in the camera background.
I think I have those. I tried turning those off. I can try it again and see. Let's see what that does. Follow viewport off. What do you do?
You do still also have them on the canvas layer.
Yeah, that's.
I guess it's probably
not-
fine. Yeah,
what?
no, that's fine. I'm moving them to like like the correct position now,
Okay.
or like at least anywhere different.
Wait, is it the sprites that got moved, or is it? Wait,
I don't
I'm
know.
confused.
Hmm.
Or are they down here now? Oh, it's the offset that did. Oh, I see. That's weird. So instead of position, they have scroll offset.
When you move them in the editor.
Yeah.
Okay, interesting.
That does weird things.
That does do weird things.
I think it's because it's scaled by
You've-
4.
Yeah, you've also got. I think the canvas layer still has the offset on it, right? Or no?
No, it doesn't have.
Oh, because you didn't. Yeah.
It has follow viewport on. That's better, but
They're
it's
back
not.
to-
It's still it's back.
Can you restart the thing? Just in
Mhm.
case it's like a cache, whatever the fuck. I'm actually gonna put this on screen because I'm just kind of staring at your
Might
screen.
also just like
Mhm.
Google it and see what happens.
What'd you
If
say,
anybody
sorry?
else has done things, I might also just Google it and see if anyone's done anything similar.
Yeah.
Hey, I hope the stream goes well. Thank you, Lazy. How are you doing? Win. Yeah, it's still weird. I could also just do something custom where it's just like, I'm thinking, how would I do that?
Based
don't
on the
wanna
camera
do that.
offset, you
Yeah,
just like move it.
but that also sounds a little bit like a pain.
More camera. Oh, more camera scroll. I see. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know enough about this. Unfortunately.
Let me look it up. Do some Googling. Doing good, twin. Thanks. Game's looking great. I love the background design. Thank you. I'm trying to figure out how to add some like fake 3D bridges, because I want to have like, because like trains have multiple platforms, so I want to have like little bridges that cross that go to other platforms. But I don't know how to make a fake 3D thing, so.
Do you ever have days where your brain just feels wrong?
Nope, never. I'm
Okay.
perfect.
Okay.
I'm just kidding.
I'm glad we had that talk.
Yeah, the only thing is about like a fake 3D with parallax, it just gives me like the normal parallax. Cause like the parallax is kind of like fake 3D. But it's not like what I want. I'm just thinking how it works. So I don't want to write something custom. What if we make this back into a node? What is this gonna do?
Make it back into nerd.
Yeah.
Nerd. What the fuck does the canvas group do? Why am I thinking of the canvas group node?
That's just the thing I like combines things into one thing.
Yeah.
I don't know. Honestly, maybe that would
I don't
do something.
know if it would, but
Where did they go? Gone.
gone.
Oh, they're down there now.
Oh,
Stole them.
kind of cool.
Oh, I think it's because I turned follow viewport off. I think we want that back on. Yeah. You are going to become a canvas group.
I don't think it'll do what you want. Maybe it does. That'd be kind of cool if it did.
I mean, it'd be cool if it just magically worked, you know?
Yeah. So I think it's mainly a shader thing.
Yeah, I think so too, but, like, please work. No.
Dude, it
not
worked.
quite.
It didn't work in the
Not
slightest.
really.
It's the exact same
I
thing.
think the main issue is just the, it's based off of, like, the corner, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, which is weird.
I wonder.
I mean, I think there's a way to set the, let's see, the scroll offset?
There's like the screen offset thing that's there under
Green
override.
offset, override. That's to, if you turn ignore camera scroll, you can set like where the camera is manually. So camera scroll or screen offset is automatically set. That's like the screen position. So like wherever the corner would be. So we
really?
could set this manually. I could write a script to manually set this to the center of the screen instead of the corner. Which that could work. Now that I think about it, I could try that. We'll try that. Yeah, we'll do that. That might work.
Are you attaching that to? Are you attaching it to the parallax, or are you attaching it to the?
I'm attaching it to the parallax.
You could probably.
Because that way we could use it for other parallax layers too. Like we could reuse it rather than putting it like on the thing and looping through all of them.
I mean, maybe we could. Yeah. Sure.
Actually, I mean, it may.
I don't know.
Maybe it
Either
would
way.
make more sense to just loop through. It would probably make more sense to loop through all of them because anything that has a parallax layer, it would just loop through them. I mean, there's a small chance that we would only want to do it for like one instead of all of them, but I doubt it. So this is fine. It's fine. We'll put it in util. We'll call it center parallax.
I don't know if I'm not able to do this. I'm actually just gonna close to this, and I'm doing something else.
I guess we just want regular process for once.
Yeah. If you wanted to update with
Yeah.
the frame rate.
How do I get? It's get viewport. Get
Yeah.
viewport rect.
Get viewport.
Well,
oh yeah,
get
sorry,
viewport.
that works. Yeah, get viewport rect will also.
I want
work,
I want to get the center of the viewport.
Get viewport rect so it gets center, I think.
Get center. That should work.
Although I don't. Oh wait. What is? Yeah, you can try that, but I don't.
Okay.
I don't
And
know
then
if
we
that'll
just
work.
said ignore offset for all of you. Ignore camera scroll. We put stickers on the default swipe attack, and then stickers would appear on the on the cat. That would be kind of funny, but no.
No, damn. No stickers on Dante.
Now it doesn't do anything. Screen offset. Hello?
Hi. Hello, what's up?
Is there an issue here? Is it?
Do so what are you trying to? You want to do what? Sorry.
Yeah, that's the issue.
Yeah. So what you can do is God, is it get?
Oh, it's give viewport because it's. I need to get like the global position of it.
You need to get the camera.
Yeah.
So I think yeah, give viewport.get camera to be.
Yeah, that's what I want. Get screen center position. There we go. So
Screen center position. What the fuck? I didn't know that was a difference. What the hell?
oh, look at that. It
Oh, that's
does
pretty
work
cool.
for the most part.
It actually like does work really well.
Mm-hmm.
I was surprised. I thought that you would have to just like I thought you'd have to
So
multiply
now the
it by
question
the
is
scroll
can
amount.
we
But
move it? Let's put you back to a node just so nothing breaks, and then just move you over here. Now, this I'm worried will break, but maybe not. Given that it's automatically setting the, or we're manually setting the scroll, I don't think it should break.
what if the canvas
Please.
group was just like making it work and all of a sudden it doesn't now? Oh,
No.
well, now all of a sudden.
Yeah, I
it
mean,
doesn't,
yeah.
but-
That's just because, can I just do this? That it works. Oh.
Does it?
What
Wait,
is it?
really? What?
Yeah, let me just reload it. I think it's because I
Oh, did
I
you
tried
just you hit the
resuming,
continue
yeah.
button? Yeah, no.
yeah,
It-
is that gonna break it? Okay.
It was like script is not working. We can't fix it, and
Okay.
then gave up.
Okay. I know sometimes
Whoa.
I like to just
What
try
the
to press it
hell
and see
is that?
what was that?
What was that? I added a sub viewport to the
Mhm.
scene and it fucking showed me ran up. Well, look at that. That's cool.
It is still based off the center.
Oh, is it?
Maybe if we instead change.
You can probably subtract global position.
Minus global position. Oh, okay. From here.
Yeah, from each of the layer dot global position.
Oh, minus layer dot global.
Because
Yeah, I guess
then,
that works.
yeah, because it should be like treating the position of the layer as 0, 0.
Yeah.
Did I say the layer of the position or did I don't fucking know.
You said the layer of the position, I think.
Yeah.
What the heck am I looking at on your screen right now?
I don't know. I added a render texture. I had a sub viewport, and that's just like I guess whatever memory was on my GPU, and it was like, yo, check this shit out.
That's pretty cool. Hey, look, that works. Look, we have a bridge now. Oh, why is there one over there?
Bridge
Did I actually
kisser.
move one? Did I change the? Oh yeah, I changed the scroll offset of one of them.
Bridge kisser.
Oh, look at that.
Whoa.
Bridge now.
Here, take a look at this. Look at him.
It's not a bridge, but like it's a bridge.
Yeah, it's a bridge kisser.
So like imagine this is a bridge that goes off into the background.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
It might look a little sketchy, but like, who cares? It's beautiful.
Oops. Sorry.
Now I have to figure out how to make it actually look like a bridge. Pinterest time. Yippee!
Hooray.
I love Pinterest. I love AI. Yay.
Everyone clip that and use it against him.
No, don't clip that.
Clip it. Clip it. Kill him. Murder. Murder. Murder.
Train station. Bridge. That's not what I wanted. No. Is that what I wanted? Come on, give me good references. Winothy. Maybe this will work. I knew Dante art was suspicious. No, it's not. It's regular. I swear.
JW actually was talking to me earlier, and he was like, "Holy shit, dude! I fucking love AI." He was talking about how
No, I
much he loves
don't.
AI.
Yeah,
Like,
I should make a
crazy.
post on Twitter that says Dante's 9 is the first 100% AI generated game.
Yeah, dude.
Honestly, that would probably work fine because it's like clearly not 100%.
Clearly not. I don't know, man. Dante's 9 gives AI vibes.
I might try that tomorrow. I don't care
No,
anymore.
dude, that's so evil. It's probably fine. They're not
Yeah,
gonna
if you, as long as you make it like obvious enough rage bait, it's like funny.
Yeah, for sure.
Because then like only the people that are incredibly dumb will fall for it, and that's okay.
There's not like a lot of dumb people anyway.
Don't
so
do
wait a
it.
minute, hold
Dog,
on.
I need to do promotion. It's for the. I need my bag.
I need my bag. Anyone know how big the card controller is? There's a sub viewport fucking size 408 800. What the hell? What if I played Dwarf Fortress instead of streaming? Be kind of cool, right? You guys agree? Glad we're all on the same page.
Yeah.
Yeah, big fan of Dwarf Fortress. Any Dwarf Fortress heads in chat?
No.
Okay.
Is this a good? No. There's no good references. Pinterest is buns.
This is actually so true. What the fuck is this doing? Who do you think you are? Where are you attaching yourself? Whatever.
3 Jupiter stickers.
I don't have enough time to worry about that.
3 Jupiter stickers on Dante.
No, bad. Don't say that to
Sorry.
JW. He'll do it.
I hate that so much.
Don't say that, you fucking freak.
Maybe we should allow putting stickers on Dante.
No, bad. That's so bad. I hate you. Yeah, no, all you have to do if you want JW to do something is just like
No.
make it appeal to oddness, weirdness, make it weird.
I'm not weird.
'Cause
I'm
he's a
regular,
weird dude. He's
guys.
weird as
I'm
fuck.
so regular.
He's so
I
weird.
promise.
Freak W.
No, that's not me. You got the wrong guy. We should have SpongeBob reference to Dante's 9.
We should add Dante to SpongeBob.
Yeah, you might be right.
Do you think that Nickelodeon would do a deal with us?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
I don't know who would want to collab with us, though. That would be insane.
Weird,
Who would
yeah.
do that? Yeah. Anyways, whatever. I can't find any good references. I'm drawing it myself. I think
Really?
that sometimes,
That's
occasionally,
actually
actually.
a little surprising.
Yeah. I feel like it should be like a covered bridge, like little arches. Yeah. Yeah.
I see.
Yeah. I'm the hidden king. Yeah. Sorry.
Go ahead, man. Sing the rest of it.
Bad. 6, 7.
Oh wow,
Yeah.
no, he actually doesn't say that.
Oh, sorry. I must have misheard it.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I think. Yeah.
Yeah.
He's the hidden king. Yeah. Man.
I want to play Deadlock.
Okay.
You're
I'm
evil.
gonna go play Deadlock.
I'm just kidding. I'm playing Counter-Strike after this.
You are a
Anybody here want to join Counter-Strike?
no,
Join the Tempura Cat Games Discord server?
no.
Play Counter-Strike with the dev. It's actually not true because I play in Biddy server.
That's
'Cause
true.
everybody hates my
Yeah.
server. I need to hang out with my server more.
I'm
I'm sure there are people that would like hang out, but like.
No, it's okay.
All right, bro. Yeah, we know that you want to like
Yeah, I've got a monopoly on all
The
of
monopoly.
the. Yeah, all the fucking.
You do.
people.
You have the VC monopoly.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's because I got the cool people joining my VC, like Naucedos,
Like,
and Wilson.
yeah.
As
Yeah,
S tier server members right there. And you know what?
this is
Wilson
true.
might join your server VC, but Naucedos isn't because that's too many clicks for him to care.
That's crazy. Yeah, you're right though.
It is true. It is true.
Generally, though, Dante is pretty fun. I'll play games on my Steam Deck time to time, and when I see Dante's in my library, I'm like, man, this game would be so fun to play when there's more content.
That's actually like a really good compliment.
Props to not crying when you get yelled at in CS:GO.
Who says that
yeah,
doesn't
I'd
happen?
see. I don't cry. I just meow at them,
Oh.
and then it makes them yell more, and it's really funny.
Okay.
What?
Noted, I guess. I don't know.
You got a problem with that?
Yeah, you're like, oh, dude, I noticed they yell at me when I meow, so I meow a lot to make them yell at me.
No.
This motherfucker likes it
it's
when they
called
yell at him.
rage bait.
Okay.
No, it's not.
Dude, motherfuckers be like, no, I just like rage baiting. Okay, dude, we get it. You like getting yelled at. Like, at least own up to it.
We might have to kill you.
How the fuck do I render a texture to a file?
You hit the export button.
I see.
Hmm.
I see. Oh wait, this is actually like its own file. Isn't there like a set? No. Save. No. Texture dot right dot out.
Is rage baiting just masochism? No, it's like
It's
fun.
part of it, yeah.
Hello, Axel. You ready for Counter-Strike? Counter-Strike in 30 minutes? Actually, Counter-Strike when I finish the bridge. Assuming that's more than 30 minutes, which it might be. CS2 more like CS poo. You're so right. Just ping when you're gonna play. Okay.
I don't remember. Is resource name always set in Godot? Is that a thing that exists? Anyone know? Skin.resource name? What the hell is this? Okay, it's fine. Resource name exists, I guess. Okay, what are the chances that this works first try? That'd be so cool.
Layers do I need? 1, 2,
Oh,
3. Wait,
dude, that
1, 2,
hella didn't
3,
work.
4, 5, 6 layers. Okay. Need like 6 or 7 layers, you know?
Oh shit, really? 6 or 7 layers, you say?
Yeah, 6 or 7.
That's kind of cool. I didn't know it was like that.
Has not touched resource in Godot yet. Like, the lazy in my chat. Are you saying you haven't touched resources in Godot, or
That's not. Yeah.
am I
A lot of
missing
people
something?
haven't. They are a little obtuse to get into, but then like
Yeah,
once it like
I will say, yeah, I was
clicks-
really confused by them at first. I was like, what the heck is a resource? And then once you get it, it's like why would I not use these?
Yeah, he's like he didn't understand the resources at first, and then he got the guy who made the video that he learned it from to work on the project, and he's like, dude, this makes so much sense.
Did you make a resources video?
That's crazy. Yeah.
Like I don't
did,
remember
yeah.
watching a resources video from you.
I don't think you did.
Heartbeast made one.
I made it after you joined the server, I think.
Okay. Because I think Heartbeast made one that I watched a long time ago, and that was the
Yeah.
first one that I watched. And that one, I was like, it made sense, but I still didn't. I think I just didn't understand the other concepts in Godot, so the resources were just like more confusing.
Yeah.
Because it's like I didn't quite know how everything was structured still. I don't know. Game Dead's so weird. It's like once you get it, it's just like natural, and then it just feels weird.
It's
like,
hard to
think
explain
about
sometimes
not
because
knowing
you're
it.
like,
Yeah, it's hard to.
it's like, oh, how do you explain this to someone else? It's like,
Yeah.
well, you just have
It
to
just
understand like
is.
the everything else, and then like,
Yeah.
and then it just makes perfect sense, you know. Hey, card. What?
Yeah.
You don't have a resource name? Is that what I'm hearing? Oh, that's so true. That's so sick. Maybe like you could stop being a dickhead. That'd be cool. I thought you had a resource name. What the fuck?
What, the 6-7?
What does this return? File as icon.png. Extension. Ah, get base name. Or
I'll go to the market. You guys have a good rest of the stream. I'll stop by if you're still going. The market? Like the Steam marketplace where you buy Counter-Strike cases? Like that kind of market?
I hate you. Like with a passion.
What did I do?
Talking about fucking Counter-Strike cases. Evil.
Groceries. Okay. I mean, it's groceries are similar to Counter-Strike cases.
Not as essential, some would say.
Some would say.
JW being one of those some.
What?
Yep. You're
It's true. I do not waste my money on cases.
Virus?
I invest my money in cases.
Yeah, yeah. Yes, you buy the cases when they're high and you sell when they're low. Or no, the other way around. Do the other one for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah.
Almost
yeah.
fell back into the Hidden King.
He's the Hidden King, yeah.
3 Jupiter stickers on Dante was crazy, by the way. Just want to say that one again. Oh, dude. Cannot save PNG at path. Why not? Cannot save PNG at path.
On Dante, isn't that like a music term?
No, dog, that's al dente.
Or is that a pasta?
And it's a pasta term.
No, I thought that was like a like a music, like one of the speeds. I forget.
No, there's like forte. Is that the one you're talking about?
On Dante. I'm certain this is the thing. I'm googling this.
It might
You're
be.
wrong.
Forte is like loud. And speed, I don't know the speeds for. I don't know the classical names for speeds actually.
Yes, a moderately slow tempo. Yes, I was correct.
Moderately slow is Dante.
Yes, I hate. No, on Dante.
On Dante. Oh,
A-N
AND
Dante.
something
Yeah.
something. Okay.
I hate music terms. It's like there's 10 terms for literally the exact same thing, but like.
Do you know the
you
term for play
it
something
slightly
loud?
Slower. I don't remember.
I just said it.
No.
It's forte.
Forte.
Do
Yeah.
you know the term for
Okay,
play
yeah, I
something
remember
quiet?
that. Something with a P, I think. Right? Yeah.
What would you guess that word is?
I should know this. Like I should.
Okay,
know
okay,
this, but I
okay.
don't remember.
All right, think of music. You're thinking of music.
Mhm.
Okay, right now, give me a word that starts with T. Any word.
Loot. Wait.
A word that starts with P that refers to music.
I can't. Am I stupid?
A word that starts with P that is music related. Just one.
I can't.
What's the first one? First word.
Can't do it.
P.
Piano.
There it
I
is.
got it. Oh right, it's. Is it piano forte? There's no way
Yes.
that's what it is.
Yes, it is.
What?
Piano and forte.
I remember this. How do I forget this? I might be like stupid. I might be a little dumb sometimes.
Oh yeah, I fucking
okay.
forgot about that. There's Yes, a piano means soft. Yeah, so here's the actual terms.
Oh, I guess that makes sense because yeah, like piano is like softer because before they had like the harpsichord,
This
which
is-
like was loud.
Do you know
They
why the
couldn't change
harpsichord was
volume.
loud?
Yeah, it's because it plucks the strings. It doesn't actually like hit them.
Yeah, it couldn't. You actually.
I played one before actually.
Oh, really? That actually sounds really cool. I would love to
Yeah,
play one.
It's really cool.
You can't, like, velocity doesn't affect the harpsichord
Yeah,
at all,
yeah.
which is really fucking cool. But yeah, there's mezzo forte, moderately loud, versus mezzo piano, moderately soft, and then soft is of course more soft than moderately. I guess.
Yeah.
I mean, it makes sense. As pianissimo as possible.
That's really funny.
As fortissimo as possible. Yeah, for sure, dog. Also, and half of them are in Italian for some reason. You're not gonna believe the reason if I told you why the music terms are in Italian. You're not gonna believe it. It's because a lot of the old terms were made in Italy.
Isn't that kind of crazy?
It's kind of crazy.
A little bit lytic.
What?
Yep.
A
you
little
heard
bit
that
lytic.
right.
Ah, shit. Okay.
That's
well,
you.
There you go.
Isn't that what they called you back in college?
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit lytic.
This joke doesn't do anything for you, but this joke does a lot for me. Can I move this across my screen? I actually don't know how this... Oh, yeah, I can. Here's what my stream looks like right now.
Why is he so tiny?
A little bit lytic. Okay, sorry. Why is it not saving a PNG at path? Is this like just an issue of Is it because I'm on Linux? The answer is no, right? Right?
Right?
Right? Chat? Chat?
Was?
Was ist das?
The bridge looks okay. Doesn't look very bridge.
Action. Just debug one. I need you to subviewport dot get texture dot image dot save png user slash awawa dot png. That's probably fine. And then if I hit F5, if I go in there and then I tell it debug one, will it work? Maybe. Ooh. Why in the fucking world does this exist? Who are you and where did you come from? I hate built-in scripts. I hate them so much. They piss me off to no end. They shouldn't exist.
TSPMO.
TSPMO FFR on GOG. Type shit.
6, 7.
Yeah. Alright, I'm no longer a little bit lytic.
No.
Wait,
Big lytic.
I'm big lytic.
Big lytic.
I'm big lytic. If I hit Q, will it just like output errors to the console? Are there any... I guess let's find
I
out.
was about to resize you on my screen, but then I remembered that if I try to resize things in my OBS for some reason, like 90% of the time, they'll just crash the entire program.
It's kind of fire.
It is very funny. I still don't know why it does it, but...
That's okay. If I ask it to show me a preview of my stream, it will just crash my OBS 100% of the time.
That's very cool.
Actually, it might not. Let's find out right now. No. It actually might not because of the launch options that I use. Because I use some weird shit to get us to use extra docs and stuff. Oh, cool. So that rendered. So it is just an issue of whatever the hell I'm typing in the other file. Is it because there's no folder called cards? Is it because there's no folder called cards?
Is it because there's no folder called cards?
Cards?
cards? Where are you
Can you
saying
believe it,
cards
guys?
like
Can you
that?
believe you don't have jacuzzi? You don't get that one.
Where are you
It's
playing
fine.
this? Okay.
It's
I don't
fine.
get that one.
Yeah, you don't get the jacuzzi reference. It's actually it's a Kanye West reference, but like from before the, you know, before the times that he was said all that crazy shit.
Yeah.
User cards. Can I do dir access? Is there like an exists or something? Dir exists absolute, not absolute. I was hoping like potentially not static version of dir exists. Okay, I see. So I would access this and I would say like user folder if user folder not exists cards.
The thing I hear about OBS makes it seem like a finicky mess. I don't know how so many people are making it work. Basically because once you set it up, you basically don't have to touch it. Unless you want to change how things are laid out.
Kind of true.
And overall, it's not bad. Like, I set up all my multi-streaming stuff and, like, all my scenes and things like that, like, probably a year ago, and I probably touched it, like, twice to change, like, a couple little things, and that's about it. Like, I don't change anything. So if you're changing things a lot, it probably gets a little annoying, but...
The main
even
thing
then,
that's
it's not
annoying
the end of
about
the
it
world.
is, like, setting up audio, especially if you have, like, different audio tracks. That can get really annoying. Just making sure everything's, like, the correct volume. I hate doing that.
See, but it just doesn't work too terribly. It obviously needs some like texture work, but there's a bridge now.
Yeah, it's got
I think also maybe we could do like a line render, connect some of these, possibly.
Why don't you just add more sprites? Why don't you make the
That's more word.
no, so the script that has that loops through all the children, feed it a variable, and for every child or for the count in there, it like adds a layer.
Adds a layer with it.
Yeah, so like right there you've got what, like 6 layers. If you set it to 7, 6 and then 7, it would just like it would go the same amount of distance back, but it would just like put a 7th layer in so that it would be like it would affect the spacing so they would be like closer together. You know what I'm
What
saying?
are you saying? No, I don't know.
You know what I'm saying, Twin?
I don't know what you're saying.
You know what I'm saying?
No.
How do you not know? What part do you not understand?
I'm so well, I don't understand any of what you just said.
So like let's say go into your Godot editor
Yeah.
and hide the second parallax layer.
Mm-hmm.
Why the fuck did you go for that one? I mean, it's fine. That's not
That's the second one.
That's not what I thought of whenever I thought of second. But I get because it's okay. It's reverse order.
Second? Hello?
I see. It's in reverse order. I was assuming top to
Okay.
bottom.
Well, yeah, because it's like rendered.
I guess
order.
yeah, render.
Bottom gets rendered first.
Yeah, and then 2 more before that, or 2 more after that. I guess like the 4th layer.
Like this.
The 4th layer. Yeah, so like that would be if you specified you wanted 3 layers, and then if you show one more of them, then it would be like that's 4 layers, and then you show another that's 5, and so on. So you just say how many layers you want, and then it automatically creates the layers for you.
Yeah. So the issue is these those different textures, so that way you can customize the colors. And
Yeah.
2, I would have to set up something to manually change the scroll scale on each of them.
You wouldn't.
Because right now, yeah, I would.
Well, it goes from like, what's the scroll scale? Like, what's the furthest scroll scale?
0.75.
So you would just set like the maximum and the minimum, and then for each one you would just interpolate between.
Yes. But I'm saying I'd have to set up something to custom set
Yeah.
those.
I mean, that's probably not what you want to do. It sounds like
Yeah,
you would
it's
do
not
like
what
a
I
line,
want to do.
which I don't know what the fuck we could do for a line renderer, but you could also just like, I know it would be.
You would just get this point, and you get this point, and you draw a line between them.
Oh, you just want to draw a line. You don't want it to like try to match the color of the texture, or
I guess, yeah, maybe. I wasn't thinking about that. I might be stupid. I also might change how the colors work. I don't actually really like how the gradient looks. Like how it gets, like it kind of works, but it looks like a gradient. It doesn't look like a bridge. Let's just see what happens if I like make them all the same color. Let's make them all like a medium gray.
Medium gray.
Yeah, like you. Yeah, that looks a lot better actually.
It's kind of
Like,
cool
it could
with the
be
lighting as well. It looks a little weird with the lighting, but it looks kind of cool whenever like Dante goes by it.
Yeah. I could probably like make the ones in the back like unlit. That might make it look nice.
Oh shit, I did it. I did it. That's cool.
You
Oh.
did it.
Wait, what? Why did this one fuck up? Why did this one out of all of them fuck up? That's so weird. Yeah, I did it.
That's crazy.
Hooray.
Oh, wow, it's just every card.
Almost. For some reason, card AK doesn't actually have anything on it.
Would also be cool if there's a way to do it with the post-processing as well.
There is, yeah.
Because I need that for the business cards prints.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
you actually do want it to have the post-processing on the business cards?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I think that because right now they're if you like look at the ones we have, they're really dark because they get brightened in game.
Yeah.
Yeah. There we go. This looks pretty nice actually. Now it's if you look, the lighting is only on the first one.
I can just a second.
Might lighten the first one as well, just by default if that's bright. Let's go with 1, 2, 3. You. Nice.
Does that have the environment on it? I think it doesn't. Oddly enough. I think the answer is no, it doesn't. I'm gonna take a screenshot of this so I can reference it without the ting. Oh yeah, there we go. That definitely has the post-processing on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Hooray.
Which I can either do it there, or I could also just do it externally, like in Clip Studio, because I do have a way to like reasonably recreate it.
Yeah. I wonder if my computer would just like absolutely get pissed at me if I were to like try to render all of these cards at once. Honestly,
That would be kind of funny.
It might not even be that upset. Let's try it. Fuck it. We're gonna have some. I'm gonna have fun because I don't know.
Oh, that's crazy.
Yeah.
No fun allowed.
No fun. Fuck. No fun allowed, dude. What the fuck, man? I'm pissed.
Claren be like,
Dude, that's so true. She does say that. Did you listen to the new Maple voice lines when I was playing earlier?
no, I didn't.
They're weird. It feels weird. She like speaks.
Yeah, she like normally
Which like
does
she
that.
she did that a little bit before, but now she's like,
She's like yapper.
hold the ledge. I'm like, Terry ain't doing shit, dog. Terry ain't holding the ledge for you. He's there. He doesn't hold the ledge. Bro showed up and was underqualified for the job.
Harry be like 6'7".
Hmm? What do you mean? No.
6'7".
No, he wouldn't be like that.
Yeah, he would.
He's better than that.
No,
What? Dude, no.
not true.
Terry's so
Over for you.
cool. Fuck, I have to play so much Rivals. They made the maple skin, not the fucking 8 one. They don't want my money.
I was like, I actually have to play the game instead of just giving them money and then not.
Well,
playing
no,
the
like
game.
I'm gonna play the game anyways, but like,
Yeah, sure.
what the fuck, man? Visual.instance.card. Sure. And then visual.subport.get texture. Sure. Await tree dot
Yeah, sure.
process frame. See what happens if I try to render all of these at once. This might be cool. It might not actually be a problem. I don't know if it did anything. I'll be honest with you. I guess I can't tell either because I already have all these images saved. Although it says just now and they are all blank. So... Oh, because I never added them to the scene.
It's kind of trick time.
Okay. Goodbye, everyone. Stream's over forever. No more Dante's 9.
Okay, here's the bridge with the
Like the Terabithia one.
It's a little weird because of the camera positioning.
Mm-hmm.
Because of the camera offset. Is there a way to get the... I'm thinking. Because of the camera Y offset, it looks a little funky.
Oh, I see.
Because it's using the center of the screen. So, like, if the camera was lower, it would kind of make sense. Like, here.
I mean, Well, what do you want to do with it? Because you can get the amount of, like, offset.
Actually, wait, I'm stupid. I can just, on these guys,
What? Oh, change the scale
I can
on the Y.
decrease the X scale,
The
or Y scale.
Yeah.
Yeah, so make this, like, 0.9.
But also, whenever you do get camera 2D, that is, like, the bitty camera class. So you can just get anything that has access to.
We'll see if this works. There we go, that actually... Yeah, I think that actually works a lot better.
Yeah, I think it does.
Looks like it does kind of... goes up a little bit, like if you go up here, but that looks fine.
Wait,
Mm-hmm.
should it go... When the camera's above it, it should go down, right? Is that how perspective works, or am I stupid? What should it do? I have no fucking clue. Never mind. Don't listen to me. Don't listen to me. Don't worry about it.
No. Actually, Yeah, it probably should, but I don't know why it does.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, you could have... If you set it to negative, we would immediately know if it's like the most terrible idea ever, but...
What happens if you set it to negative?
It just like does the opposite whenever the camera moves. I also don't think you need to reload the scene if you do that. I think it would just update.
We'll just test it on this guy since he's the highest.
I don't know if it's gonna...
Doesn't seem to be making a difference. Did I save it? Maybe I didn't save it.
You did, but... Weird? Well, does he move very much? Because he's like on the...
I mean, if you look, you can see...
I can't.
That it is going up. Oh, okay.
The stream quality versus...
You can
like
see the gray on here.
Mm-hmm.
That's the thing going up. The other one should go down if it's negative.
Did you change the other ones to negative?
Not all of them. I changed them.
Oh, okay. Rough.
I can try reading it and just see. Rough. Hi, Moaz.
Hi,
Up on
Moaz.
Counter-Strike.
Hello. Hi.
Oh, hey, it actually like rendered all of those out surprisingly well.
That is pretty cool.
Like,
I was about to say, why does your file system look like that? I remember you on Linux.
Yeah, no, I forget it all the time too. I'm like, dude, I was like, I'm gonna go play League of Legends or something. I'm like, oh wait, fuck, I literally don't have.
That's fire. That's fire. That's great that it like doesn't let you do that.
Yeah, I'm gonna figure out how to do it. I'm gonna be the first person to break Vanguard, and I'm gonna get League of Legends to work on Linux. Apparently, they're making League of Legends 2.0, which is kind of sick if true.
That's.
Oh, what the fuck was that? Did you see that?
Hmm.
No, something happened. What time is it? It's 8:56. I'm gonna go to your stream and I'm gonna make sure. I'm gonna check that. Something funky just happened on your screen. If not, just like a thing that actually happened. Oh, you don't have the time on your stream. Lol. It's fine. I can look for it.
Let's put these over here so I can make it larger.
I actually have no clue when did I react? Maybe it was just a thing on Discord screen share.
It might have. That's possible. It does weird things sometimes. What did it do?
It like the... Oh no, it did it on your stream. I see it. I just saw it. Hold on. It's like for a frame. Yep, there it is. I got it. So...
It'll be on.
Yeah, okay. It wasn't just the Discord stream. All right, can you look at my screen?
Yeah. Looking.
So I'm gonna frame by frame. What's that doing up there? For a frame, dude. Look at how quickly this passes by. It's like so not noticeable.
I didn't see it.
Yeah, no, I caught it. I don't know how I caught that when it happened.
Then the video frame rate. It's possible.
That's crazy.
That is crazy.
But yeah, apparently it just went up to the fucking skybox for a single frame. I don't know what was up with that.
That is very cool.
Yeah, a little bit, almost. Kind of terrible. I can get rid of this viewport, and then... Can you render a GIF in Godot? Is that a thing? Do we have GIF support in Godot?
Probably. I think we could go and see. Actually, I don't know why I'm saying probably. That would be kind of weird. But also Godot loves having random weird features like that, so probably.
What the fuck is a DDS? Like the dentist?
The dentist?
Save image as a DDS direct draw service. It's a container format that can store textures in various compression formats. I don't fucking care. You tell me there's not a save GIF function? There's no GIF?
But we got DDS, whatever that is.
Oh, wait.
I'm scared.
No,
I'm so scared.
No. Oh, that's so evil. Wait.
I'm so scared.
JW.
What?
What if... You know what FFmpeg is, right?
Yeah.
Did you know that FFmpeg has the ability to take a sequence of PNGs and convert them into a GIF?
Yeah.
And Godot has the ability to render a PNG anytime you ask it to.
Oh dear.
So what I could do
Oh dear, you're evil.
is
You might be evil.
I could tell it to render out each of them to their own folders, and then just run an FFmpeg command to convert them to GIFs.
That's evil.
No, but it's like kind of
It's like kind of
tough.
Yeah, that is kind of tough.
It's kind of tough with it.
It's kind of toughington.
What was the program called again? You want to remind me, JW? What was it? What?
FFmpeg.
Oh yeah, that one. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, so if I... Oh, I guess actually... No, you would just do this. Oh wait, Moaz, are you still here? Because I have a mission for you to do, if you are. Actually, I don't know if this would do anything for you. Never mind. You didn't play Crag. Well, if you are here and you have Rivals installed and updated, go into the training mode and use Crag's recovery. It might be one of the most insane changes they've ever made. That motherfucker's moving through quicksand in the air.
That's sad.
It's kind of funny, though.
It's really sad. I'm never playing that game again.
That was already the case, I think.
I mean, yeah, but like it's guaranteed now.
It's guaranteed. Oh, okay. I see. This might be evil. Let's find out.
You evil?
So
What?
only sometimes, not very often.
Only sometimes.
Ooh.
Alright, bro.
That was very few frames. Any errors in the console? No errors in the console? What? That's my Cogmine folder. That's not Dante's 9.
Why do you have your Cogmine folder open?
Nastidos was asking about something earlier or yesterday?
So
Yesterday. And I guess it keeps the last folder you had open. I didn't actually know that.
Very cool.
It's kind of cool though, I guess. I'm sure there's a way to disable that if I wanted to. I feel like that could be annoying if I like accessed one of my external drives and then disconnected it. And it tries to open it at like boot time. Yes, sir. Wait. Wait a minute. Did it do anything? Oh, I might be the dumbest motherfucker in the world. I just rendered so many frames of this bitch spinning. Unfortunately, the spinning is applied after the sub viewport renders it. However,
Very smart.
hold on. However, I could use another sub viewport on top of it. Yeah, you know what? This is why we have multiple sub viewports, so I can put another sub viewport on. This is bad.
I don't want to know what's going on over there. I'm not gonna lie.
Don't worry, I don't either. I'm doing crimes because of my anger.
I'm kind of doing
towards,
crimes too. My art looks bad.
Yeah, I'm doing
Oh,
crimes
it's,
about the status effects thing. So.
Oh, status effects. Okay, that's a little more concerning, but.
Yeah, but I'm doing crimes because of how
fine.
angry I am about the status effects from earlier.
Yeah. Oh, okay, I see.
Yeah. Yeah. This is evil. This feels wrong. It probably is somehow. But I guess we'll find out soon enough. Well, shit's still moving. Shit isn't crashing, which is kind of cool.
That's kind of cool.
Did it do anything? The answer is no. No, it didn't. Why?
We tried doing the darkening the back ones a little bit. Just a little bit.
A little bit. Itty bit.
Just a little bit. Itty bit litic.
Yeah. Why? Oh god. Oh no. That's a problem, potentially. What is that? Card. Kind of.
Kind of.
Oh shit, wait. That's like... Wait, that's almost correct. I know it doesn't look like it. But it, like, actually is? What the fuck? I am slightly concerned on this, but whatever, I guess. That's kind of cool. I hope it renders a little bit better in here. Oh, it hella does. Wait, that actually might be kind of sick, if true. GW, do you know the command offhand to convert a bunch of PNGs to a GIF in FFmpeg?
I think it's like PNGs to GIF.
Let me try that. Oh shit, that works.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Now I have the code.
No, I think I have a document that literally does this on Windows. I have like a couple of commands specifically to do this. Oh. Wait. No, I don't. I lied, apparently.
Uh-oh.
I called this PNG GIF. It does not, in fact, do that.
That's a little crazy, I'm not
It's
gonna
a
lie.
little funny. I am gonna lie. Okay, let's look up this FFmpeg PNG sequence to GIF. I'm sure it's like -I image underscore whatever.
It's like decent. Still not the biggest fan, but it's better than nothing.
How do I make a custom command in Linux? I don't remember. HD root bin seems right to me. I'm not gonna do that. That's too much work. I'll just try to get this working together. Where did this go? Here's my user folder. This is Cogmind again. We got back here. Here we go. Here's my user folder. So let's say I take this card AK. I want to convert it to a GIF. So let's start with this command that I found off Stack Overflow. However, I am noticing this is not 0 padded, and it might need to be honest. Let's find out if it does in fact need that. F image 2. I don't know. Ah, yes, incorrect.
Where you at, Twinny Winnie? I'm finishing up making a bridge. I'll be on in just a minute. Do not start without me, Twin. I do need to end the stream soon because Counter-Strike is calling my name.
Yeah.
I think it's decent. It needs some like lines and some other stuff, but here's a bridge. Maybe I'll change the style. Maybe I'll make it like more solid. I think the metal frame is a little bit difficult to do. Oh, hello, Nomable. How are you doing?
Hello.
I guess we get to stream a little longer.
All right, I'm getting
Thank
off.
you for
Night.
the raid. Oh. How are you doing? How do I? Is it exclamation point shout out?
Slash shout out.
Slash shout out. Oh, there we go.
Yes. You got this, bud. I
got it. Did I do
believe
it?
in you.
Did I do it? I did it. Let's go.
Let's go. We're also
Welcome.
proud.
And what were you working on, Twinithy? I was working on a. What did I just see?
So here's what the rendered looks like, as you can see, and the GIF that it produced when I ran this command.
Why does it look like that?
Why did it rotate it? Why did it do that? What the fuck does this command do?
I don't know, but I was working on making this train station. It has this cool parallax background, and then this bridge that's kind of hard to see, and it's kind of ugly, but
oh shit, dude, look at that!
stuff.
Oh god, it's so
struggling?
interlaced. What the fuck? Look at it, dude. It's so
Or using
interlaced.
nerd terms.
Like it's like got weird texture on it. Bleh.
Okay, I was working on thumbnail for my game a bit before getting distracted with the Next Fest game. That's fair. What Next Fest game were you trying out? I actually haven't tried out. I don't think any. No, I tried. I played a couple.
Are we in a Next Fest right now?
Yeah.
Oh shit, I didn't know that.
Are you like dumb?
Yeah. I thought this was
Yeah.
normal.
Oh yeah. Right. Yeah. You're right.
Bro can't even convert a PNG stream to GIFs correctly.
Yeah.
That's me. Look at the way that's spinning. That's so cool.
Horizontally spinning card.
Yeah. Having a little bit of fun with it.
A little bit. A little bit lytic.
Oh shit, dude. I know that guy. I hate that
I'm gonna play
motherfucker.
some of my game. I haven't played my game in a minute. It's weird. I'm actually getting better at not just playing my own game all stream. Trying Combotronica. Pretty similar to my game. Let me look that up. I've not heard of that one.
What kind of game is that? And what kind of game are you working on? What in the
Like
world?
immediately play a trailer
Oh.
and be really loud.
I see what happened. So here's the Stack Overflow post that I was following, and they're walking through their process of how they like got to the end command. And one of the steps is just rotate it 90 degrees clockwise. Cool, dude. I'm glad we got there.
Making a marble machine roguelike. What's it called? I don't think I've seen that. I want to see Twin.
Marble machine rogue like. Oh wait, does Rat Coin have a demo in the next fest?
Yes, it does.
Oh,
Like,
let's go. Is it updated or is it the
that's
same?
That's one of the ones I played. Yes, I believe it's updated.
Oh, dude.
They tried nerfing the silver coin strat, and then the one that like duplicates silver coin, or just there's something where they like nerf some of the silver coin things, but I still managed to beat it on the first run with the same build that I was frying the old demo with. So
Yo, JW, look at this, dude. This is so cool. It rendered it out into a
Let's
GIF.
see. Oh, do you not have a Steam page yet? Plunk. No Steam page. Sadness. I will check it out on itch, so that's okay. Oh, I forgot it always opens up in
The OBS window.
the OBS window.
Oh, are you gonna play it?
Let's not open
You should not
it
do
in
that
the
in the
OBS
OBS window. Yeah.
How do I
You
copy
just
this?
copy it. You right click and then copy link address, the thing that just popped up.
Copy current. I think that's gonna.
Oh, okay. Never mind. I thought it said copy.
That's
link.
gonna copy
Sorry.
the.
Lol.
Yeah, it's gonna. Yeah.
Yeah, I led you astray.
That's
Do you
gonna
like
be
my GIF,
weird
by the way?
things to
Look at
do.
my GIF.
Let's see. Does it have a web builder? It looks like it does.
It's not common,
Display it.
isn't it?
Wait, what? Sorry, I wasn't paying attention.
It rendered it out into a GIF.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
It did it for all.
Steam's one of the next steps.
It did it for all
which
the
is why I was
cards,
doing
by
it
the
for
way.
Yeah. I will say, don't worry too much about the thumbnail. I mean, obviously you want it to be nice, but the important thing is getting a Steam page out like immediately. Let me see.
Future. I put you on
For
screen.
example, okay, give me a second.
Good.
Pulling something up just for like demonstration. Where is it? Where did it go?
I'm gonna go and queue up for a Rivals game so that I can.
That's crazy. That's
I'm just
fine.
kidding. I'm downloading Racoin.
Okay.
God, I can't wait for that game
Where
to
did
come
I
out.
put this?
It's actually so fire. Oh yeah, I was gonna say, if you're doing a, you said like a marble machine roguelike, you should try Racoin if you haven't, because that's also not a marble machine, but it's it's one of those like turning an arcade game kind of thing into a roguelike.
It is quite cool.
It's very, very cool. I'm a huge fan. An error occurred while launching this game in invalid platform. What do you mean? I can't install it on Linux? No. No, you're shitting me. How the fuck did they even... What? No, this is wrong. There's no way this is the case.
This is what the original capsule art for our game looked like. It looks so bad.
Oh shit, dude.
Look at this.
It's not that bad. Honestly,
Anyways.
that's pretty sick. I wouldn't say it looks
pretty
bad. I wouldn't say that looks bad.
It looks very bad, but
I'm gonna restart my Steam, I guess. I don't think I'm running anything through Steam, so it should be fine, right? Surely. You should hella play Racoin. That game is so fun.
it's really fun.
I played so much at the demo the first time the demo came through. Oh shit, dude. I see that. I see the... Can you spin the pipe again?
Mm-hmm.
There's like a little bit of like a snap into place after it moves. That's that juice. A little bit.
Sometimes I think my frame rate is dying.
It might be
That's why
that
it
as well.
sometimes doesn't show up because it's a 3D game in web. Okay, so I see you put bumpers. Okay. So you want to try to do like. Limit to how many bumpers you can have? Or can I just cover up the screen with bumpers?
Oops, all bumpers.
Oops, all bumpers.
Can you full screen the game? Or I guess you wouldn't want to, never mind, because you're on...
No, yeah, it's gonna get messed up if I full
Zoom, or
screen.
will
it.
it do weird things?
Oh, I can. Oh.
Oh,
Wait, can I? I can zoom in on the actual game.
that's true.
Can I like pan? Is that? Oh, okay. Very
Ah,
nice.
web build.
I can, but it it's
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Web build things. Oh, oopsies.
Oh shit, oh shit.
Let me just like is it like a directional zoom? No, it's not.
That's okay, I couldn't... It's hard to get that to work.
Yeah, no, I get that. Oh wait, what's this? Oh, I see. Do I have to hit this before picking? You know, let's just run it and see what happens, you know? I see. Okay. Do I have to hit this to like trigger the effect of it, or is it just like a? Let's see. Okay, so I don't have to hit this at all. It's just saying that that does something. Okay. The runestone is a passive. I see. Okay. Oh, so that's cool. So would you like place them around so it like blocks the space, but like you get a bonus, or can you roll over it?
You should find out what happens if you bump into
Oh,
it.
I see that.
Does it like send
There's
you backwards?
numbers. I don't know. Let's see. There's numbers and there's colors. I was confused because I was thinking that each number and each color was the same, or like each number always has the same color.
Yeah,
what
like
my
in
brain was
pool.
thinking. Yeah.
I was also
I
thinking the
feel
same
like
thing. Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like they could probably maybe shapes or something, so that way it's not color dependent. But yeah, I don't know. Let's see what happens. This is probably a terrible setup. Okay, yeah, it just.
Oh, it just dies. Okay, I see.
It just dies.
I think that actually makes a lot of sense, and I think that's fine because otherwise it would just send you straight back, and you would just
Yeah.
like clear over the same spaces you already had.
Mhm.
Okay, but I think I'm gonna end my stream.
What happens if I do
You can end
this?
yours after you're done demo stuffing.
Yeah. Oh, oop, that's gonna run to there. I'm stupid. Hey, one. Let's go. So is it always just random? Let's see what else we got.